Each installation differs as to how far and what path the data cable needs to travel in order to reach the desired location for the Flamingo device in the home. The Flamingo pack comes with 20 meters of data cable. For installations where a longer cable is needed, this can be purchased separately according to the requirements from Flamingo Tech Limited. Once the data cable has been wired to the desired location, the template can be used to mark two holes 78 mm apart for the drilling of the two 6 mm holes. Insert wall plugs and screws. Strip back the outer sleeve of the end of the data cable and strip the ends of each of the 4 wires. Insert the 4 stripped ends of the data cable into the green connector block, with one color pair into the first 2 holes and the second color pair into the second 2 holes. Tighten the screws until fastened. Push the connector block into the back of the device and power on. Mount the device onto the screws. Before calibrating the Flamingo FLP 1.0, we will need to test the flow rate of the shower. This is done by spraying the shower head into the flow rate measuring bag for 7 seconds. Make sure the mixer valve is set in the middle position for the test. In this case, the flow rate reads 13 liters per minute. Now that Flamingo has been installed, it can now be set up with inputting the variables in the menu function.